Hello children. Children, in the previous video, I have started lesson number 12, the preposition of English 1. And I have started explaining you what a preposition is. Now, let me explain you some more things regarding preposition. Prepositions are words that show what? Location or position. Prepositions are words which show location or position. Then they show the time also, and the last one is direction also. They show location or position, time and direction. Now, for location, now the prepositions which show the location or position, they are in, on, inside, outside, in front of, behind, under, over, with, etc. Many more prepositions are there which show the location or position of a person or an animal or a thing. In, on, inside, outside, in front of, behind, under, over, with, etc. Now, let's see which are the prepositions which show the time. They are at, on, in, from, to, before, after, until, within, by, for. So all these prepositions show the time. Now, let me tell you which are the prepositions which show the direction. They are in, into, from, to, through, etc. Now let me explain you by giving an example. Now the prepositions which show the location or position. For this, let me write an example for you so that it is clear to you all. Like, I will write here an example. Kitty is sitting on the table. Where is Kitty sitting? On the table. Table is a noun here. On is the place or position of Kitty. Kitty is a cat here. Is the name of a cat here. So here, where is the kitty sitting? On the table. Table is a noun and on is a preposition as it is used before a noun. Let me write one more example. He is standing on the road. Road is also a noun here. It is the name of a place. So, where is he standing? On the road. On is the preposition here. Now, let me give you an example of time. Ricky watches TV after dinner. At what time does Ricky watches TV? After dinner. So, after is showing us the time. When is he watching TV? After dinner. So, after here is the preposition. Now, let me give you example related to direction. He is going to the market. Now, where is he going? Market is the name of a place. So which is the word which is used before noun? This market is a noun. to. So to is here preposition which is telling us the direction. Where is he going? Let me give you one more example regarding this. The moon goes round the sun. So here round is also telling us the direction. Where the moon is going? Round the sun. So here round is also a preposition. So I hope children you all have understood what is a preposition. Basically a preposition is a word which is used before a noun or a pronoun. It is used before a noun or a pronoun. Just remember this thing, that it is used before a noun or a pronoun, then you will not make any mistake while finding out the or identifying the preposition in a sentence. It is used before a noun or a pronoun, and it also shows the relation with another word in the sentence. Now children, open your English grammar books, page number 26. Let's read few sentences from the book. Number 1 is, the book is on the desk. You can see the picture. The book is on the desk. Where is the book? On. On is a preposition here. And it is used before this noun desk. The book is under the desk. Again, desk is a noun here, and the word under is a preposition which is used before a noun. So under is also a preposition because it is telling the position of the book or location of the book. Number 3 is, the book is near the desk. You can see it here, the book is near the desk. Here near is also telling us the position or location of the book. And it is used before the noun desk. Number 4 is, the book is in the desk. Then here in is also telling us the position or location of the book. Where is the book? Then next is, the book is beside the desk. Beside is also a preposition here. Then number 6, the book is above the desk. And number 7 is, the book is below the desk. Here in both the sentences, above and below are prepositions because they are telling us the location of the book. So children, we will read up till here in this video. In the next video, we will start reading the next sentences. Thank you.